Welcome back, folks, for another edition of Come Learn With Me. This is our precious metals series, gold and silver, top gold stocks for December 2021. If you want to know more about our investment function at the at the end of this video, you'll have a URL flashing up there near Mount Kilimanjaro. All right, top gold stocks for December 2021. SBSW, I think it's SABMiller, AU Anglo, and NFGC are top for value, growth, and momentum, respectively. Oh, okay. Well, there you go. Article's over. Everything you need to know is right there. Gold has long been regarded as a safe haven in times of market turmoil. Many investors have gained exposure to the precious metals by buying stocks of companies engaged in exploration and mining. Some of the major players in the gold industry, including Canada-based Franco-Nevada Corp, Newmont, and Australia-based Newcrest Mining. Gold stocks, as represented by the Van Eck Gold Miners ETF, GDX, have dramatically underperformed the broader market over the past year as the US economy and other economies have begun to recover and amid the global pandemic. GDX has provided a total return of minus 3.9% over the past 12 months, well below the 33.5% total return of the iShares Russell 1000. These market performance numbers and all statistics in total of November 18, 2021. Here are the top 5 gold stocks. I guess we better get that in now. Top 5 gold stocks with best value, fastest growth, and most momentum. Best value gold stocks. Value investing is a factor-based investing strategy that involves picking stocks that you believe are trading for less than what they're intrinsically worth, usually by measuring the ratio of the stock price to one or more fundamental business metrics. The widely accepted value metric is the price to earnings ratio. Value investors believe that if a business is cheap compared to its intrinsic value, in this case as measured by its PE ratio, then the stock price may rise faster than others as the price comes back in line the worth of the company. These are stocks with the lowest 12-month trading PE ratio. SABMiller, okay, we'll read about it now. Colombia, TORX, Equinox, Dundee. SABMiller. This is one of my favorites, by the way. SABMiller is still not a recommendation. You nearly had me there. SABMiller Stillwater is a South African-based producer of precious metals. The company develops and extracts mineral properties. Its diverse portfolio includes platinum metal operations in the United States and Southern Africa, gold operations and projects in South Africa, and copper, gold, and platinum metal exploration properties in North and South America. The company also has a 30% stake in a lithium project in Finland. SABMiller still is the largest primary producer of platinum, the second largest primary producer of palladium, and ranks 3rd among global gold producers on a gold equivalent basis. The company, wow, that's big. The company announced in late October that it agreed to acquire 100% of both the Santa Rita nickel mine and Sorota copper mine, located in Brazil, for $1 billion in cash, as well as 5% of net smelter return royalty covering potential future underground production at Santa Rita. The transaction is expected to close at the end of 2021. I think they've also bought a port in somewhere in Northern Europe, which is very close to a nickel refinery, if I'm not mistaken. Gran Colombia Gold Corp. Gran Colombia Gold is a Canada-based mid-tier gold producer with mining operations in Latin America. The company is the largest underground gold and silver producer in Colombia. It operates several mines at its high-grade Segovia operations. It is also working to advance its recently acquired Toroparu project in Guyana, and it has investments in a number of other mineral projects. Gran Colombia Gold also has shares that trade over the counter in the US under the symbol TRX Gold Resources. TORX Gold Resources is a Canada-based intermediate gold producer. It engages in the exploration, development, and operation of the 100% owned Morelos gold property. I've heard of TORX, which is composed of 29,000 hectares in the Guerrera. Please excuse my Spanish; it's not very good. Guerrero Gold Belt in Mexico. The company's principal assets include the El Limon Huajes mine complex, composed of open pit and underground mines, as well as a processing plant and the Medea Luna project, an advanced stage development project. TORX also has shares that trade OTC in the US under the ticker symbol TORXF. TORXF. Company announced in early November financial results Q3 21, the 3-month period in net income fell 39.5% as revenue declined 15.5% compared to a year ago quarter. TORX produced 111,229 ounces of gold during Equinox Gold. Equinox Gold is a Canada-based multi-asset mining company that operates entirely within the Americas. The company has 7 operating gold mines throughout Canada, the US, Mexico, and Brazil. It is poised to achieve annual gold production of over 1 million ounces. Dundee Precious Metals. Dundee Precious Metals is a Canada-based international mining company engaged in the acquisition, exploration, development, mining, and processing of precious metal property. The company owns 3 principal subsidiaries: Chelopech, which owns and operates a gold, copper, and silver mine in Bulgaria; Krumovgrad, which is developing a gold property in Bulgaria; Tsumeb, which owns and operates the company's concentrates processing facility in Namibia. Interesting. Dundee Precious Metals also has shares that trade in the OTC in the US under the ticker symbol DPMLF. All right, guys, I'm not going to read the rest of the article. They do the same thing for fastest growing gold stocks, and they define that. Okay, so Anglo Gold's the fastest, Endeavour, I know. Okay, that's interesting. And gold stocks with most momentum, as defined by the factor momentum. Newfound Gold, Argonaut, Aurora, Victoria. Strategy, okay. Strategies help minimize tax. Access personal fund. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. Gold stocks have been very disappointing this year, so maybe next year will be different. Come see how we are investing in the gold and silver space and uranium and rare earths and all the funny stuff that's out there. And, well, come learn more about it at our website. So thank you for joining me for another session. This is the final one for this week. Or come learn with me. Greg Silverman, your alternative investment chief investment officer, scouring the world for you. I'm at the top of Mount Kilimanjaro right now, scouring the world for the best investment options out there. Greg Silverman out for this week. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.